The mastery of JKD pronounced like Jeet Kune Do. Hello, martial arts enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Welcome to The Art of Combat, where we delve deep into the techniques and philosophies of the world's most formidable fighting styles. I'm your host. Today, we are focusing on a martial art that revolutionized personal combat in the 20th century. Created by the legendary Bruce Lee, JKD for short, is more than just a collection of fighting techniques. It is a philosophy that favors simplicity, efficiency, and a direct approach to combat. Bruce Lee's JKD emphasizes the way of the intercepting fist, a testament to its focus on counterattacks and rapid execution. Let's unpack some of the core elements of JKD together. First and foremost is the use of angles. In JKD, the angle of approach is decisive. By attacking or defending on an angle, you avoid a head-on collision with an opponent's force. You effectively bypass their defenses or redirect their attack. Notice how the fighter steps off the line of attack while simultaneously delivering a counter. This creates an advantageous position, catching the opponent off balance and opening up their defenses for further exploits. Next, let's talk about directness. Bruce Lee famously said, "The shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line," and in JKD, this concept is king. Every move is about efficiency and getting to the target in the fastest way possible. Notice these straight line attacks, jabs, crosses, and finger jabs. They're not just quick, they're deceptively simple, yet incredibly effective. Bruce Lee's own lightning-fast 1-inch punch exemplifies this. A punch delivered from a mere inch away can send a grown man staggering back if done correctly. And then, there's the beauty of combinations. JKD combinations are not predetermined sets of moves, but rather, they're guided by the flow of combat. A JKD practitioner learns to read the opponent and uses combinations that are appropriate for the moment, often based on the energy and reactions of their adversary. Notice how each strike flows into the next based on my partner's reaction, allowing no time for their defense to recover. Speed of application in JKD is paramount. It's not just physical speed, but the speed of perception, the quickness in adjusting to change, the rapidity of decision-making. Bruce Lee described it by saying, "Be like water, adaptable and swift." As we can see, Jeet Kune Do is more than a fighting system. It's a testament to the idea that in martial arts and in life, simplicity and adaptability pave the way to effectiveness. It's about cutting away the unessential and driving straight to what works. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Jeet Kune Do. Remember, martial arts are as much about personal growth as they are about self-defense. Keep training, keep learning, and keep evolving. Until next time, stay sharp and stay safe.